Greetings, my name is Shiran. I'm the operation manager at Vidu. Today I'm super excited to bring back Vidu 101, our official live stream webinar. Can't believe the last episode is from last year, and it's almost been a year, but we are finally back here. And here we provide information about techniques, special tips for Vidu AI, and discuss some of the topics regarding what's happening in the world of art creation. For those who are fresh to Vidu, Vidu is one of the best AI GC video generating tools across the world. Here we provide text to video, image to video, references to video, and many other AIGC tools. It's a canvas for professionals to spread their ideas. But today, we are here to announce the new era. The method of individually generating clips by clips while constantly switching between the models are over. Here we are to bring you some fresh insight about Vidu Claw, Vidu's very own agent tool that generates video for you once and for all with simple steps. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce my guest partner today. He's one of the OG mod, one of the OG content creator and contributors to Vidu community. And here's Alper. Thank you for being here with me today, man.
Hey everyone, I am the Vidu OG. Let's not the OG, but like, I am one of the community assistants in this code and been here since day one, maybe, and seeing every model drop, every update and every new feature. So if you're interested, or come reach out. And if you're lost in the workflow trying to figure out Vidu Claw, it's just there, pushing out Q3 to its limits. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, man. So we'll be having a Q&A session with the chat during webinars, and if you have any questions or anything you want to share, feel free to drop in the chat. We'll clear them up for you. At the meantime, you're more than welcome to give Vidu a try or join our Discord channel. Links are below down the brief. To register with special code Vidu101Cloud gets you free credits from the start. Also, there will be a raffle in the chat giving out free Vidu Cloud code. That is the grant access to Vidu Cloud. So let's get started. Okay, so what we are seeing now is the interface of Vidu Claw. And you can just simply enter it by going to vidu.com and press, see it on the main page. There's a roll bar on the top of the website, then you can get access to it real quick. So let us just give you a whole introduction about Vidu Claw. And Vidu Claw is a cloud agent that helps you generate your video once and for all with simple command that you can just type within the text box below. And with simple command, Vidu Claw will do, first of all, generate the video clips, second of all, editing them together, and they will be arranged by your requirements. As simple as that. So let's give a pretty quick demonstration about what Vidu Claw does. So if you may, let's proceed.
Yeah, so let's find out what's the current trend. Let's ask Vidu Claw. So, hey, what's the current trend of social media? Give the top 5 popular ones. No, just wait for the results.
Yeah, so pretty much it's like how we talk to ChatGPT and other language model tools, LLMs, and they will generate, they will provide us with some of the result after they're searching and thinking. And yeah, let's just wait for what it is providing. And as you can see, it's using some of these models, some of the skills to give us the result that we are asking for.
Researching for the current social media trends, April 2026. So, who knows? Might see something.
So actually, more than just generating content with your command, you can also let them provide what is going on in the world. You can just scratch information from Vidu Claw and generate stuff from then on. And as you can see, it's concluding some of the most viral content and most trending content for different social platforms. As you can see, Discord, you can see TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. And these are all the titles that's based on its own research. And maybe let's try to create one of those videos, just to see how it does.
Yeah, let me just let's use the micro community. So I would like the micro communities. Mm, give me suggestions. Mm, good. Mm, mm.
Yep. So we are giving like more detailed and more diverse
Yeah.
requirements
Even
to
I
it.
did.
Yeah, and based on its research.
Yeah, it seemed like I did feel some like give the top social media platforms, but not in the day type of trends. Just
Mm-hmm.
realize that now. Yeah. Mm. Mm.
So not only you can just let them run the tasks by their own by the cloud itself, you can just also let the cloud bring you some of the inspirations by snatching contents around the world and across the internet for its research engine, which is pretty interesting too because uh, we used to provide tools for our content creators by to create with prompts and images and references, but now we just giving out like suggestions, like what is the most popular content across the globe and how we can utilize that by using the Vidu Claw and generate one of our, and join the trends with one of our own. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah. Mm. Took a bit too legit. So I'm here. Let me just create a new chat. Oops. Current video trend on in social media. That is funny, enjoyable, and also in any different ways. Give the top 5 videos and give a description of each to see what it can fetch.
So what the model is actually doing is that it's understanding the command we're giving out and transferring it into its own language by utilizing some of his tools, and it's doing research to grab us the inspirations. That is way more than what it could do before with simple prompts and models with images we upload. Now we can just ask the Vidu Cloud tools to grab some of the most popular content across the world and help us to get the inspiration and create a video simply from there and to let us join one of the hot trends too.
Yeah, we got the results that we wanted, but let's make it automated.
Okay, so right now it's giving out like two options. One is auto, that it'll do everything automatically with their own scripts and everything planned out by itself. Or we can just do guided, and as the cloud is going to give us some of the criteria that it's asking, and we can provide our prompts and orders to make them go where we command them to do. So let's just try automatic first, right?
Automatic, yeah.
Yeah, let's do auto mode first. So this is the most simple way. After you've given out like your prompt, your requirements, and you just input auto mode, and Vidu Claw is going to run the video all by itself. You don't have to intervene like anything at all. And as it's thinking, it's using different models to understand your requirements first, and then transfer all your creations into the Vidu backend while using whether it's Q3 or Q2 or reference to video or images to video. You can also see the clip results on your own profile page back at Vidu website. So can you please like demonstrate that for us? Like go to your Vidu website profile and show us what they're doing.
There's many images. Yeah, you see it now.
Yes, as you can see, it's generating video clips through here, and then they're gonna transfer all these clips with one of the with the one with the best results, and then just sew them together to form like a 30 seconds clip or 60 seconds clip. That's all up to you.
You combine them all together, multi-shots, whatever.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So that's what we got. So we got started auto, yeah. The phase one started discovery. It started doing deep research in TikTok, Insta, and YouTube for the most funniest and enjoyable viral trends of April 2026. It seemed like it's breaking it down and why is it actually funny, and it will deliver the top 5 soon. Ooh, nice. Just
as you can see in the chat right now, in the chat box, it's going through phase 1, that is discovery, phase 2, analysis, and phase 3, the delivery. So that's just Vidu Claw breaking down its own steps of how to create the videos, just by simply asking it to recreate some of the most trendy videos for us.
let's ask for any updates. We'll probably give us some results.
Yeah, so you can just imagine Vidu Claw as one of your own assistant in video creation, and you can be the director. You can just give out your ideas and let Vidu Claw do the rest. And right now, you can ask him for any update for how the process is going, like anytime you wish.
Okay,
and it will give us feedback like this.
So we've got the unfiltered AI interview. People using AI voice filters to translate their pets' thoughts and unserious moments.
Okay.
That is crazy. Accidental main character videos where someone is trying to be serious or aesthetic.
That accidental main character is absolutely diabolical. I've seen so many memes of that, of stuff like that. You know, like all the side actors at the movies, and you know the actors at the live show, like recording session. Like I see a lot of them just thinking they're the main character and just suddenly buzzing the camera and doing weird stuff. I recently got one a lot. Like I saw the one from the Spider-Man movie that there's one actor in the background that always pointed at the cameras and put on the same facial expression as Mary Jane as she moved herself like slowly into the center of the camera. That is freaking interesting, and I believe that Vidu Claw can get that too. You know, like by deep search and how AI generally works across the globe. I think is something it is able to detect as well.
Almost done. Let's ask about the unfiltered AI interview. Sounds funny, but during serious moments, it's crazy.
Yeah, let's do one. Let's do that.
Me a plan for the unfiltered or filtered. We want to keep it clean, don't we? AI interview. And maybe good both, who knows? Good both.
Okay, so while we're at it, can you please show us like some of the cases you've done in the past and break it down for us as we can,
Sure.
as we can move on to one of our next topic, that is how natural language conversations are automatically turned into complete outputs with no extra steps required.
Uh,
Yep. So what we're seeing now is a full conversation with a successful task we've asked the cloud to do. And right now, since the LLM model is not perfect state and it's given us sometimes it's given us Chinese results and dialogues, and all you gotta do is to tell them to translate this following into English, and it'll just output or any other language. It'll just output what you wish as well. So
let's also translate to English. Let's do that real quick. No, I don't understand, but
okay, so I actually understand this, so I'm gonna break it down to you. On top it says, here's your video. Of course we can see that, and it's providing what in the Chinese content below is that it's providing the video task ID and what models and modes is utilizing and how long the clip is. As we can see that this is using the Vidu Q3 cinematic model and generated a 5-second video. So, and it's summarizing some of the prompts as well. And yeah, basically it's just breaking down of what it's been doing, the whole process, and then output with the video file result itself. And could you please show us where the videos can be found, like in the folder on your top right? Yeah, I got asked a lot with this, so it's putting a designated like address for the files you generated, but I can't just find it in your computer. And here is where it is. It's in the top right corner of this chat box, and you can see all the videos that's in here as well. And this is what we saw just from the back end, and it's to show that it's actually using Vidu model and using the Vidu tool to actually generate the result, and just automatically bring it back to your own interface, to your cloud interface, and put it in your cloud folder and just show it to you right now. So that saves a lot of steps and a lot of process of what we used to do. What we used to do is to write multiple prompts and to get multiple results of one video clip, maybe 5 seconds, maybe 15 seconds, depends on which model you were using. And that was going to take forever to find the perfect piece and then download it, and then to sew it to the clips and edit with outsourced editing software. But right now you can just put all these clips together just by giving out simple text.
Sure, let's all start. Let's bring 3 videos together and Alper, then 4, 3. That will be whatever.
Yeah, so again, we're just treating it like it's one of our assistants on the film set, and you can just ask Vidu Claw what to do, and it will just bring you back with the results and the questions if they encounter anything. So that is pretty much like a film set assistance too. So, well, instead of wearing those overall pants and with multiple pockets and with different kinds of tools in it, you can just now do it by simply texting into your computer. And
mobile devices, you can just edit. It could probably add sound effects, I believe.
Yeah, it does. And right now we support TTS as well, so maybe we can try that later.
Text to speech, yeah.
Yep.
Seeing uncanny veggies. Nothing related, but let's see what it gives.
So during the process, let me just discuss with you all like what is cloud has been doing across the globe. Like, I don't know what's going on out there, but in China it's really blowing up. Like, you can see clouds everywhere if you are in anywhere near the computer science or AI tool, AI model industry, and you can see clouds everywhere, like people are promoting about this stuff, it's helping you finish all of your work just with conversation through an agent. And now Vidu's got a very own Vidu Claw right here, and that is going to help you a lot, I believe, to save you a lot of the time for creating videos. Like if you're used to simply talking to ChatGPTs and other LLM models, I believe this will be a very easy thing to learn as well.
I think it would be easy since it's just a text. You give simple, natural language and you'll understand immediately.
Yeah. It's very convenient.
It seems like it's missing the third video. Okay, let's just combine two videos.
So same as all the LLM models across the world, Vidu Claw meets its own problem too, like the same old classic LLM models, hallucination and illusion when during the conversation. Like sometimes it misses some of the video clips, but don't worry. Like just by typing further with your prompts, you're gonna get the results back as well.
It saves a lot of time in editing, especially, and probably outputting as well. It will just give it instantly, but it seems like we still have to communicate, and then once it understands, it'll do it.
Yep.
Merge two videos, yeah, and then final summary. Let's do that all automatic since I don't want to spend too much time.
Yeah, let's try one more input, and then let's work on a little bit of introduction to the crowd of what is a skill and what is the relationship between a skill and your cloud agent, such as Vidu Claw.
Okay, let me just bring up one of my skill.
So I'll try to explain this. Skill file is pretty much like a plugin if we consider the cloud agent as a motherboard. And the skill file are just pretty much the parasites that enrich all the abilities what the cloud, what the agent can do. So it finishes special tasks with simple vibe coding, which means you don't have to master a computer coding skill like before. You can just prompt with simple words too. And after you write a proper skill file, you can just upload it to the skill agent, and it will just utilize it automatically. And sometimes the result doesn't get what you want, and you just have to do a little bit tweaking inside the skill file to adjust the prompt. And right now, as we can see, that Claw is actually running one of the skill file Alper uploaded. So it's gonna be working as a specialist for certain tasks. So could you please introduce to us a little bit about what this skill can do?
Well, I had a lot of fun with this. It does many things.
Okay, so many things.
Let's all start the translator real quick.
Okay.
Translate that to English. Sometimes, as you mentioned, hallucinations happen. So
yeah, this happens with all the AI models across the world. So we are working on it towards perfection. Our team's been working all-nighters to make sure that we can bring the best video-focused cloud tool for you and cloud agent for you for all of the creators across the world. Which, by the way, thank you all for the support through all these years. And I believe this July will be the 2nd anniversary of Vidu, and that is a very monumental moment. And we are so glad to have you on board with us throughout these 2 years. You've witnessed a lot, especially Alper. You've come to this community for quite a long time, and we all thank you for your contribution. We all appreciate that very much. And probably you don't know this before, but I've heard I've been talking to people on the team, and they were like really admiring what you've done to our communities. So thank you, and thank you all Vidu creators, our CPPs, our other creators, our users who've been like publishing works into our platforms, who've been creating with us day and night. I hope we've been helpful alongside your journey with art creation. And here we go. So I'm just doing a little bit translation on my end. So this seems like so it's gonna be a omni prompter. And what it actually does that like actually perfects your prompt when you create videos, or just
I
overall?
believe it will perfect. First of all, you can input an image and you will create an image to video prompt, or you can ask for reference to video and then input an image, and then it will give you suggestions, and at the end it could give you an extra suggestion with any references you want to add.
Oh, so it's actually helps you break down how to write, what is the correct way to write prompts when using Vidu to get the result that you were actually want. So sometimes I get this a lot too. It's like when people writing their prompts, it just doesn't go their way. I know you've seen it. We've seen it a lot in our communities. We've seen those through the feedbacks that the video generated result doesn't fit with their imagination, the user's imagination. And most of the time it's because they're not prompting right. And it is hard to find the correct way to prompt because, you know, these are all the models reacting were based on the LLM models. And so this helps us giving directions about how to actually prompt to make sure that we are getting the best result we're looking for.
Like asking to, but I did ask for translation, but again, hallucinations happens.
I guess I'm gonna have to cut this part out. It's okay. It's okay. You know what? While we're at it, let me just restart the Zoom chat. I think. And let's just do the demonstration from the start. I'm sorry about that. Or maybe you can just pull out like the cases you've done before.
I think I did update it yesterday. It was up, blah, blah, blah.
It doesn't matter if it has Chinese in it.
Yeah, it's just as long as it's updated on this.
What's this? I searched my memory. Why is it searching for me?
I thought knew what say what I go, yeah, it's just crazy.
Oh, this one seems like a very technical one.
Oh, this was updating this was updating the skills.
Okay.
I believe. So, yeah, it did.
Can you like scroll it to the top, maybe, and let's see when you're actually uploading the skill file.
Oh, this is different. No, can't use that. Can't use that. That's different else. Social media. Oh man.
Okay, I'm gonna press. Okay, so can you introduce to us a little bit about what your skill, the specific one skill you uploaded, is capable of?
The specific. Oh, there's a lot, but focus on one thing. What I've done is you can insert text or images, and it will try and use that image and use that to give a video prompt, image prompt, or a reference to video prompt. It could be anything of those features. Well, the process is.
Okay, so what it does basically is to detect the images or references you uploaded and then analyze it and given the like most precise prompt that is like fitting the model the most and that is providing a general description of what you uploaded and to help you interpret it how the model works better and so you can get your perfect results like with the um, least amount of work. Am I understanding it correctly?
So yeah, it will do most of the work in prompting and just do it can just do anything, just about anything.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
If
While we're at it, could you please like show us what the other tasks that we've been doing are working so far?
we've been working, so it is
Yeah. So as you can
multi-shots. I've
see,
been
like
working on multi-shots
yeah,
recently.
as you can see, the Vidu Claw is able to run multiple tasks at the same time. So you can just throw in a bunch of requirements to it, and it's gonna give you, it's gonna working all of them simultaneously and so you can just switch it between like different tasks and to see how everything has been going for you and to make your own adjustment to certain tasks and then circle back to another one. It saves quite a amount of time. It's like having different assistants just working for different aspects for your work. Like for this one, like we were processing one of the skill file before, and then we're generating like a 1 minute video with a simple click, and we can switch between tasks just like that. This is quite simple.
So as for any updates, it seemed like it just cut off. Um,
Yeah, so like a real assistant. If you feel like it's been stuck, just ask the cloud like how's everything been going so far, just like what your boss are doing to you like during work. So
okay,
yeah,
there's the full output. So omniprompter. So yeah, full prompted system. Text to video and image with physics-based motion and cinematic optics, reference to video or image with character consistency. That's the most key thing in media and especially in prompting as well. Uh, Universal Rover audio and SFX layering for natural sound or integration. You want some perfect crisp audio, but sometimes it fails as well. Uh, let's create a new chat and let's ask. And I'll be integrating 4 images,
oh,
uncanny images.
not the classic vegetables. I remember those. I remember like the evil orange. Like back a couple of years ago, they were super
Uh,
popular.
it, it was annoying orange.
Yeah,
It was
it was so
funny,
stupid.
funny YouTuber.
Yeah.
I agree. And I took that, for example, and I created our different vegetables. So you've got carrot, lettuce, peppers, and broccoli.
Yep.
Uh,
Very healthy.
so I'll be asking now to use the prompt that I have you given as a skill. So I want you to use the only prompt that I have gave, and I would like you to create party of them for subject or objects. I don't know, subjects dancing in realistic uncanny style. And just to be point on, I would ask use reference to video and Q3 model. Obviously, now it's gonna detail or the images that was inputted, and it will get the analyzation ready.
Okay, so the skill is now analyzing the 4 images you upload as well as the task you've required it to do. Oh, this one comes up pretty fast.
Came out pretty fast, yeah.
Yeah.
Uncanny Valley Dawn's part here. Okay. If there's 2 phases in total, it seems like it's going to use the prompter as I just gave earlier. And after that, we'll use the reference to video Q3 model. So let's just ask. Okay, let's go and let's do guided. So we want to get the better results while it's guided.
Yeah, so last time we were using the auto mode, which means the Claw is gonna generate everything automatically due to the inputs you've asked it to do. And right now we're gonna do a guide mode, and that is you are the director that's getting the Claw to generate your results step by step. It's gonna ask you multiple questions to decide what kind of content and how everything is going to go. Yeah, so let's see what's the first question that it pops up.
Okay, phase 1, it seems like it's now going to do prompting. Cinematic physics-based prompt for Uncanny Dawn's scene using the Omni prompt I just gave it. We'll be optimizing for that specific style, and let's proceed to go.
Yeah, so it's gonna ask you a question, and you're gonna be deciding whether the cloud is providing the best solution. And if it's satisfying, then just press go.
So it seems like the prompting is done. Just a hyper-realistic, uncanny cinematic scene of 4 vegetable subjects: broccoli, carrot, cabbage, and bell pepper. And we'll use cinematic lighting, dim underground club. So we'll be doing reference audio. So let's proceed. This one last message. It seems like it has just started generating. It just let us know when it's ready.
Yeah, looks like it's going smooth. Like, you know, the best word you can tell to the cloud is go, right? Oh, by the way, if you want to say anything, just cut me off and speak out, because yeah, yeah, it's okay, it's totally okay. Just like I'd love you to share more. Yeah, so. And maybe you can just break down like the task as well, because I mean, I'm on Zoom and OBS recording, so I may not see everything so clearly because it's a tiny bit of a screen on my end. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so let's jump to the back end and to check if the actual tasks are actually running. And as we can see, that it's already done with the first video. As we can see on the cover, is exactly the broccoli that we set it up. So, which means that the Vidu Claw is actually working through its pace, and things are going so smooth by far. Yeah.
Yeah. or we can just recreate and maybe make an edit just for her or back in Claw.
Oh yeah, you can re-render the actual step that it's doing just by recreating the video from the backend. You can see how it's prompting. You can see how it places the reference. This can be very actual. This actually can be very helpful because you can see how logically Vidu actually understands the prompts and how Vidu help you to prompt, like when you are working on specific models. And it's like a reverse psychology that you can just like re-render the prompt that make the most sense to the model. As you can see from the below, that we didn't put any of these texts, any of these prompts, and all we did was just uploading these references. And right now we can see how the system is prompting on its own and how Vidu model actually understands your prompt the best way. So
now we just wait while it processes.
Oh, yeah, let's refresh. I think the results are gonna be coming in like real quick, right?
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Not sure what this is.
No, yeah, still the hallucination. We are a Chinese company after all, so the model won't forget its mother language. But we are fixing that problem like right away because oh okay. This looks funny. Is there sound to it?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know why I can't hear it.
Let's see what Vidu Claw says. Let's refresh the page. The video is only generated completed, and it'll be in that section. So let's see if it's right here. Or you can find it in your file, but that'll be extremely long.
Shit, I haven't do my Duolingo today.
The video.
If we put a task into it, we're gonna need a proper like we're gonna need a proper video that doesn't make us look bad. So I'm gonna just jump it to right here. Okay, so next, what are we gonna do next? I think. Okay, yeah. So let's just do. It's like freaking
It seemed like it fetched it this time.
Mm-hmm. And then it's Chinese. Yo. It's like fucking XQC talking to his mouse. Like, why are you doing this to me?
Video.
According to the prompts and the theme of the video you've asked them, and also it does research for you to give you inspirations of what to create today by grabbing some of the hot topics or trending contents across the globe for different platforms. And this is one of the results that after our research and creation through the cloud, we can see like one of these videos that's coming right up for us. And in the future, this process is going to be much more faster because we are still like optimizing the model and adjusting the LLM model to make sure that the communication goes much more smoothly and to understand how the prompt actually work with Vidu different models on the back end, and you can just take out videos with single clips from your Vidu profile page as well. So this is a pretty useful tool for us to start with today. And I understand that the cloud tool is not like the most popular thing in some of the countries right now. And here we are to provide you some ground information and how to create with Vidu Claw. And I'm sure this is gonna help you creation like in a much more faster and more efficient process. So for the last step for today, we're gonna introduce like another quick step of how Vidu Claw is going to help you. As you can see on the main page that Alper is showing, like there are two buttons below the Vidu Claw title. And first of all is connect to Discord, and second is connected to Telegram, which means you can share your content and then connect Vidu Claw to one of these platforms, one of the social platform that you use for daily, and it can finish your task and help you doing your job like by with this by linking up with these two social platforms. So why don't you give us a demonstration? Let's start with Discord, like our home court. Please, Albert.
Yeah, so okay, let's click on Discord. Let's see what it asks for. So if you want to know and how to configure Discord configuration, you can go up here and to see the tips as shown here. Discord developer portal configuration. You can visit the Discord developer portal, and you can up here you can create a new application, and let's make this Vidu Claw. And then once created, oh my god, just verify that you're human. And once that's all done, you can just go down to bot and reset token. And this will be confidential, so don't share it at all. This will be reset after. Let me just copy that or copy from here and then insert it here. And once that, you can just save the configuration, and it's easy as that. But you would need intent. So these three must be on, so it can be all working without issues. And once that's done, go to the installation page and copy the Discord provided link. And let me just bring it in. Insert it here and add the server. And as you can see, Alper server, can authorize it and close it. Once that's done, it'll just slow for a bit.
So right now, you can just integrate Vidu Claw into your Discord or Telegram by using the method that we've showed. So this actually means that you don't even have to log into Vidu every time you need to talk with the Claw. You can just add it to your Discord or Telegram. And when you're chatting with somebody else, you can just run a test with it running on a sidebar. So this is actually much more convenient than before. And just like how Midjourney started with their own products, and here we are starting Vidu Claw with our own Discord and Telegram integrations too.
So there was just a little bit of issues. Don't forget the guild install. Put the bot mention on, and then if you want, you can put administrator just for easy access for everything. And I'll just bring it back on. And as you can see, Vidu Claw is here. So let's start messaging it, and it will just reply instantly.
Yeah, and I understand some of these demonstrations can be a little bit tough because there are so many things to do at once. And since Alper is already a master, he's pretty good at it, and he's been doing it everything so smoothly. And if any of this part is confusing you, so please drop a question on the chat, or just dial back to the recording of this streaming, which will be reposted to our official website as well, to just check how it's done, like if any part of these is confusing to you. So right now we can see that it's already integrated into Alper's server. And the conversation already starts.
Yeah,
Conversation is
just say
starting.
hi there. I'm Vidu Claw. It's already there.
Oh, look at him. He's waving to us.
Hmm.
Okay, so just try something, and see if it's working properly, just like what it's doing on Vidu.com.
Just, but if I just previously, so I will be asking the same questions. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Ask. Create the video using this image. Taking quite long than usual, but
Yeah, so it's responding to what we've uploaded, just like what it's doing uh, on its own website. And our meeting is ending in 10 minutes. Again, I'm not paying for this. I'm not paying for this.
no one is. Automate and so it can process its own things and in quick 5 seconds.
Yeah, the Chinese dude
Okay,
is
let me
here
just.
again.
Okay, at least I got a translation integrated. So the task is currently in progress. Analyst phase, identify image styles and writing motion cues. It will monitor the progress and it will download. So it will upload the video through Discord.
And after this result, we're gonna just record a farewell message, and then I'm gonna start the session as well. So you can just deploy it in your chatting boxes, you can just deploy it in your social media, and especially like Discord and Telegram. And those are the ones that we are supporting right now. And there's gonna be a whole lot of expansion in the future. So
As for any updates.
oh, here we go. And the results are in. Concept of Vidu Cloud and scale. I'm not sure why the audio doesn't come up, but it does have a very nice sound to it as well. Okay, so today we've learned the basic concept of Vidu Cloud and Skill, and how we integrate them into our creative process. So instead of creating video clips one by one, we now get to generate videos as a director, producer, and editor all at once by simply texting natural dialogue into the prompt, and how we can redirect the Cloud agent into other daily social applications such as Discord and Telegrams, and using them as your Cloud interface as well. So in the next episode, we're going to demonstrate further on how Vidu Claw solves common creative requests for videos. Again, this is Vidu 101, live streaming webinar from Vidu AI, which is one of the best AI GC tools across the world. I'm your operation manager, Shiran. Together is the OG community mod, Alper, who is the technician for today. And thank you for being here with us. Hope to see you next time.
See you later.